Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record calls on WhatsApp. Watch till the end and click on subscribe and bell button to not miss any update from us. So to record call on WhatsApp, you can just go to your screen recorder. You have to long press on your screen recorder. As you can see your sound source, you have to click on it. As I'm already recording here, I cannot go to sound source. You will see option there, mic. You have to click on that and leave it as it is. And all your calls on your WhatsApp will be recorded. There is another way to record your calls on your WhatsApp. This option is basically used in new version of mobiles. And for all version of mobiles, you can download an app. The app's name is App Call Recorder. You can download an app. For that, you have to just go to your Play Store. And on the top, you can see a search bar. You have to click on that. You have to type App Call Recorder. You have to install it. As you can see here, App Call Recorder is downloaded on our mobile. We can see our details. We have to click on that. We can share app permissions. We have to click on that. We have to go to phone here, and as we can share phone access for this app, allow and don't allow. I'll just click on allow, and our permission to record call in WhatsApp and other apps like Messenger, Viber will get activated. And this will be it to use this app. Now we can record our calls in WhatsApp. And if you guys like our video, then you can just click on like and subscribe button to not miss any update from us. Thank you.